What? Shit.
Why the fuck would you just sneeze on me?
So what?
Why the fuck would you just sneeze on me?
My bad.
That's not even cute.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dang.
That's fucking nasty.
I can't help it.
Why would you come over here and sneeze though?
I'm trying to look for a
But
towel
you
and shit.
stop though, and then you sneeze.
I'm still.
You
I can't
could've
look.
went up and
I'm
sneezed.
saying I can't look for no towel.
Why you
No.
gonna sneeze on him?
Who?
Him.
My bad.
I mean,
She funny as hell. How you doing though?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm good.
I was gonna say, why the
It's
fuck
water.
would you sneeze on me?
It's water.
It's
my
COVID
bad.
and everything out here. You talk about some damn.
Oh my bad. It's a prank.